I don't get what I want, I get what I need. Every single day I'm heading off to my dream, and I get everything that I damn well please. I don't give a damn if you all listening to me, cause I run it. I'm the only one that really want it, I'm the only one that's really on it. I'm just being honest, I'm just doing everything I promise, cause I want it better. But I'ma make it as an artist, and I know I'm not the smartest, and I know I'm not the largest, but I promise you that I'ma be the one that worked the hardest, cause I promise you that I'm just getting started. And I promise you that my skills are getting sharper, so I'ma get charted. Can't be guarded, nah, I'm the one to get retarded. Get the party started, yeah, get the party started, yeah, so let me get up on it, yeah. Bitch, you got me fucked up, I don't know what's up. Pour that shit in my cup, we bout to turn up. Crank this shit up so loud, sounds like we're sold out. In front of a whole crowd, we lose control now. Don't take this shit too personally, everybody got a different version of me. Everybody gotta be learning from me, everybody wanna be working with me. And I feel like there's uncertainty and urgency to find out what you wanna be. But honestly, we change our minds constantly, so stop and breathe and find out who you wanna be. So I'd be cautious, I hope that you're watching. Don't try to stop this, work until I'm nauseous. Cause I will not quit, no, because I want this. Don't try to stop me, failure ain't an option. So I'd be cautious, I hope that you're watching. Don't try to stop this, work until I'm nauseous. Cause I will not quit, no, because I want this. Don't try to stop me now. I don't give a fuck if you got a college degree. Did you learn anything? Really worth anything? 200 grand later and we're not even working. Student loans worth more than what we're earning. Best lesson I learned is to keep on searching. Find your true passion and get to work. And better take action or you end up serving. Yeah, that's a fact. So you better clean up your act. So you better grab yourself a sack and tell the world they can suck on that. Don't come back, pack your bags. You take a trip and don't relax. You hit the switch and just attack. You find your niche and make some racks. Don't hold back. Everybody wake up. It's time to break up with the life you made up.
Jadi langsung kita pasang aja ya. Maaf tadi saya tidak pakai suara karena tadi kondisi kita ngerekam di rumah pinggir jalan. Nah, jadi langsung kita pasang aja temannya. Kita ikuti sesuai pemasangan sinyal tadi. Mudah-mudahan pas ya teman-teman. Pas. Kita lihat teman-teman. Nah ya pas teman. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Kunci langsung teman-teman. Pas. Paskan dulu teman-teman, kita pastikan dia pas teman-teman ya. Nah jadi ini kita punya jam rusak, tinggal beli mesinnya aja teman. Mudah-mudahan pas ya. Ini kita coba pakai mesinnya jarum yang lama gitu. Nah, kita menyesuaikan bodinya, jadi ya harus pakai jarum pendek. Jarum pendek kita pasang dulu jarum-jarumnya, simpel kan teman-teman. Nah kita coba ya pasang baterainya, kita pasang aja baterainya. Jadi ini mesin yang saya beli ini mesin mode sweep atau mode diam, jadi nggak ada detak, ada bunyi detik-detik. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ya nyala teman-teman. Mudah kan teman-teman, teman bisa mempraktikkannya langsung. Kalau untuk mesinnya nih kita beli di online. murah meriah teman-teman, berkisar antara harganya 4.000 sampai ya puluhan ribu lah, cuman saya beli yang harga 4.000 aja teman-teman, murah meriah. Selanjutnya ya tinggal kita pasang kembali teman-teman ya kacanya. Ini kacanya udah ada berdebu, kita lah pakai tisu ya teman, tisu ya lumayan lah teman ya. Yang penting udah nyala kembali jam kita, tidak perlu beli jam baru. Nah, cuman di sini kendala teman-temannya tinggi teman-teman, gimana kita teman-teman, hasilnya lebih tinggi ya. Gimana kita,
Biarlah.
nah kita cut nih teman-teman. Kita pasang lagi aja ya. Macet ya teman-teman. Jadi itulah teman-teman ya, sip, tinggal nyala.